Okay, this video today is about multi-booting 20, how to Icosa boot Ubuntu 18.04 with Windows 10 plus 19 GNU/Linux distribution. I found a bug with recording video during the installation. So I believe the problem is with the GNOME desktop environment, because I tried on other GNU/Linux distros with the GNOME desktop environment, and I had the same problem when I tried to record the installation. So I had to be able to install. I could not use the screen recorder to record the installation. So I had to take screenshots. So in this video here, I'm going to show the screenshots of the installation. This is a Ubuntu 18.04. This is my hard drive before I started the installation. Let me see. Okay, this is my hard drive. Okay, this is my hard drive and how it looked before the installation. So I had a partition space of 420 gigabyte free, and the next, so I double click on the install Ubuntu, and here I can select the language. I chose English, then I click continue. The keyboard type use English US. Then click continue. Then I didn't want to use the internet, so I did not connect to the internet, and to get to this screen here, it takes a couple minutes because I have lots of partition, and lots of operating system installed, and the installation like that, it takes around 35 minutes, 40 minutes to do the whole installation. So I select normal installation here, and then click continue here. To get to this part here is like around 8 to 10 minutes. So on this case here I select something else. So on this guide here I will do a custom install of the operating system. So always I'm going to choose something else, and then I click continue. Then I select dev SDA, and then so I already have the UEFI partition and the swap partition. So I click on the free space on the SDA, which is 451 gigabyte free, and I double click. When I double click, I have the chance to resize to create a partition, and I decided to use 19, almost 20 gigabytes in size. So I use ext4 and the mount point, and then I click OK here, and you can see there's a new partition SDA27 ext4 with a mount point. Then I click install now, and then it's gonna use the existing swap partition that I have and the new partition as ext4. I click continue here. Then you select where you are located in the world. Click continue here, and then you create a username and password, name for your computer, and a password. You can log in automatically if you want to. Click next, and then they start the installation. So if you try to record the installation, it will crash the installer. So I have a video that I made with the bug, with the error code, with the code showing that the Ubuntu installer bug, and I sent the bug to the Ubuntu, and I have a video and a screenshot of it. I will upload to YouTube. Then this show here configuring bootloader, installing Grub2 package, and looking for other operating system. This is take a long time this take around 7 minutes, and the update Grub take around 10 minutes. And then you remove the packages, and then the installation is finished after that. Then I click continue testing, and the installation is done. Now I'm going to show I'm going to show how my hard drive looks now. Actually, I'm gonna show the video. Make it on true. After the installation, it looks like this. Okay.
This video is about
as you can see, I have a Ubuntu 16.04 on the bottom.
Ubuntu 18.04 with Windows 10 and plus 18 other Linux distribution. I did installation and this video I tried to record the installation, but the way I had set up, I believe there was like a bug that the installer crashed when I tried to install. So I had to reboot the computer and then install without using the software like Simple Screen Recorder or any other software. So I did installation. So there was no bug with the installer. So, but I will try to this time now. I will try to install using I will boot to Windows first here, so to show first. So I have a Ubuntu 18.04 there, and in the bottom here you can see that I have a Ubuntu 16.04. So I have both versions. I will keep the Ubuntu 16.04 with the Unity desktop environment, and I will show how I'm gonna boot to Windows now, and then I will boot to Ubuntu 18.04. So anyway, I will try to record the installation, and I will record direct to another USB flash drive, and because I saved the video right on the live USB. I did that before, I had no problem, but with the 18.04 I tried 3 times and I crashed, so I believe I have to do the other way I do with the other GNU/Linux installation.
Okay, what happened is there is a bug with the GNOME. I believe there is a bug with the GNOME desktop environment. When you try to record a live installation, it somehow the screen recorder is not working, or sometimes the installer crashes. I try with different GNU/Linux distribution, and I have this problem. But to be sure what's the problem, I'm gonna install each version of Ubuntu. So the next installation that I'm gonna do now is gonna be with Kubuntu 18.04, Ubuntu Mate 18.04, Ubuntu 18.04, Kubuntu 18.04, Ubuntu Studio 18.04. So I'm doing the installation with all the Ubuntu Badge and the other Ubuntu family OSs, I will do installation of each one, and from there I will know for sure if the problem is with the GNOME 3 interface, or is the Ubuntu installer when you record the installation. So I will tomorrow I will make the video which I'm going to start with the Kubuntu, and from there I will know for sure if the problem is with the installer or the problem with the desktop environment. So okay, so this is Ubuntu 18.04, and this is the end of the video. So my next video is going to be how to I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's going to be the multi-board number 21 with Kubuntu, and then I will figure out if the problem is with the Ubuntu installer when you try to record the live installation. And I will see if the problem is the Ubuntu installation or the Ubuntu installer or the desktop environment, GNOME, or I believe it's the desktop environment. So I will know for sure tomorrow when I make the video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like, and leave a comment below if you have questions about it. Se você gostou desse vídeo, por favor deixar comentário, inscrever no canal, dar um like e compartilhe nas redes sociais. Até o próximo vídeo.